Good afternoon, this is Simon Browning, and in this video I will demonstrate how to clear the browser cache in Internet Explorer version 8. What is the browser cache? Browser caches are a local storage of website files that browsers use to speed up your surfing of the web, essentially. So for example, on this website, this graphic here probably changes very infrequently. So when Internet Explorer first comes to this page, it downloads all the things on this page, every graphic, every piece of HTML code and all the stuff, and it stores it in its cache. The next time you come to this web page, or if you go to another web page on the site, it doesn't necessarily need to download all these things again because it's got a local copy. Now ideally, every time you come to a website or a web page, it's supposed to check to see if there's a more recent version, if there's been a change, and get that more recent version. Sometimes it doesn't happen though, and we do find from time to time we do web development, clients will not see the changes that we've made on a website, or sometimes we won't see the changes that we've made on a website. We've uploaded something new and we just can't see it. So one of the ways to remove that problem is to actually clear our browser cache, dump out all those stored files so that the browser goes and gets a new version of the files. It's also good to do every now and then because that storage of files can get very large. So in Internet Explorer version 8, the way it's done is you go to Tools, and then you go to Internet Options, and right here we have Browsing History, which has Settings and Delete. We'll just look at Delete right now. When I do it, when I push the button, that is, it gives me all these different things I can actually clear out. So I can choose to clear out the temporary internet files, the cookies, the history, form data passwords, private filtering data, etc. What I'm talking about specifically now is the temporary internet files. That's really the cache of stored files, and that's usually what needs to be cleared. Sometimes the cookies as well. History wouldn't have anything to do with it, really. That's just the history of websites you've visited. So it's already ticked, so all I'm going to do is click the delete button. This is different in Internet Explorer version 8 and version 7 and 6. It was an OK button, but now it's a delete button. And when I do that, it's going to go and start deleting the browsing history. How long this takes depends on when the last time you did it was, how big that cache of files is. It'll probably be done within a moment. And when it's done, all I'll need to do is click the OK button and my browser cache will be clear. It's a little bit different in Internet Explorer version 7. It's different in Firefox. Every browser has a slightly different way to do it, but it's always sort of the same concept. There you go. Thank you very much.